Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick demo, first impression, and review on the Danessa Myricks Balm Contour product that she recently released. I picked up two shades. I picked up medium 1 and medium 2. Medium 1 is back ordered, so I don't have that one today, but I have medium 2, and that's what you guys are going to see me using today. This is more of a gray tone product, but I have to say that I really like the way that it looks on my skin. And if you want to see what my thoughts are, then let's go. All right guys, so yesterday I rekindled my friendship with the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. This is the face tape, and the shade I have is 37G, which is medium tan golden. And I remember that I had 36, and I don't know where it is. So this is a little bit darker for me, but it just looks so stinking pretty yesterday. I don't care. I'm going to start off by taking it with a brush, and then I'm going to use a beauty blender to pick up the excess. I loved the way that this foundation looked yesterday. It just looked like natural skin. It didn't look heavy. It didn't look like I had on a ton of makeup, and it wore beautifully. So I'm like, all right, let's start putting you to work again. So because it is darker, I have to bring it down my neck. I don't know, I'm gonna take a little bit more and just apply it on my cheeks because I still have some left, but a little bit goes a long way with this. I'm gonna hit my ears too. I don't know why this foundation really didn't like take off, but I did feel like people talked about it for a short amount of time, and then it just kind of went away. And my skin is going through it, guys. I have some breakouts. I have some breakouts in my chin that I can't seem to really fully get rid of. I mean, it's pretty. It's really pretty. And of course, my hand is lighter, but it's all right. It's a really, really pretty foundation. It is, I would say, like a semi-matte. It's not 100% flat, and it just looks like skin. I'm gonna take my Milk concealer, and the shade I have, this is a Flex concealer. I don't know what shade I have, it doesn't say. So I'm just taking a little bit of this and then hitting where I have shadows. Damn it, I just got these Peter Thomas Roth under eye patches because my dark circles have gotten out of control. Like, they're just extra obvious, and even with concealer. So I should have used some of that. I would say that this concealer is light to medium coverage, so I just like to build it up, especially under my eyes. But because this foundation gave me coverage, I'm not trying to add a ton, but I am trying to correct some of my pigmentation, and I'm trying to, if I could delete these dark circles, I would. So while that just kind of sets a little bit, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So we have a little bit of a brow on. I just kind of filled in my brow with my Anastasia Dip Brow, and then I saw that this was really starting to look a little dry, so I wanted to make sure that I got to it before it was hard to work with. So this is what my complexion is looking like. I really love the way that this looks. It just gives me coverage. It still looks like natural skin. I love it. So I have a new product I want to show you guys. It's the Balm Contour by Danessa Myricks. I love Danessa Myricks products. I think she always does such a beautiful job. I ordered two shades. I ordered medium 1 and medium 2. Medium 1 is back ordered. So this is what the packaging looks like. And oh yeah, this is a good color. Again, this is medium 2. So I'm just going to take this with a little stippling brush here. So this looks a little dark, but that's okay because as I told you guys, I ordered medium 2. I mean medium 1. I almost got medium 3, 2 and 3. Those were the shades I was initially going for. So I'm glad I didn't, because these are definitely pigmented. They're light and they're buildable. Look at that. It looks so good. I have been really into cream contouring. Well, I've really been into cream products lately. I wasn't a cream fan, but I love just how natural and easy they are to work with. But look at the difference. I literally did well, you guys saw what I did. I took a little bit just right under the jaw. I'm gonna take a little bit and do the side of my nose here. I always like to blend everything out with my foundation brush after I'm done applying it. But look, it is a beautiful product. Honestly, I wasn't expecting anything less. Like, I have quite a bit of her products. I love her work. She just does really beautiful, like, wet skin. And she is an amazing artist. I love her. And as you guys can see, like, I'm not adding a ton, but you're still getting this really like sculpted look to the face. So looking at it, I'm thinking that I could have gone with 3. I think 1 might be a little too light, because I am liking the way that this looks. I don't know. I'll have to play with it. But either way, I love the effect. I want to say that 1 was a little bit more on the bronze side. All right, so I'm going to take a little bit of my Laura Mercier Translucent Honey, and I am going to use this under my eyes, on my lids, really in my T-zone. I'm going to go in with a little bit more. I don't know if this is a good idea. I just want to see what we can get from this. Still looks good on top of powder. Obviously not as easy to blend out, but still easy, and it still looks good. I really like this. We'll see how it wears. Like, I don't know if it'll start moving throughout the day, but so far so good. All right, guys, so here is what the complexion looks like. I think this is it for today. Like, I was thinking about going into like a full-blown tutorial, but truth be told, I'm just not really feeling it today. And if I do it, I think it's going to feel really forced. What I do need to do is get my life together and clean this space, because I have brushes all over my vanity. I have makeup that I need to put away. It's just a disaster, and I think that's where I'm feeling like the lack of inspiration. But this is the final look for today. I'll check in with you guys just to kind of give you an overview of how the product has worn. So I'll let you guys know what my overall impressions are, but so far I have to tell you guys, I really love how natural this product looks. I love that my face looks a little bit more structured, but it isn't obvious that I have contour on. I'm excited to see what shade 1 is going to look like. Again, this is shade 2. Shade 2 looks a little bit more ashy and gray. And I want to say that shade 1, medium 1, is a little bit more tan. So it would be nice to see how they compare. And also if I could add warmth to my complexion using medium 1. So for now, guys, I really like the way that it looks. I'll keep you guys posted and give you my final thoughts at the end of the day. So if you guys want to see how this wears, don't leave. All right, guys, it's the end of the night, and I did not do any check-ins today. The day just kind of escaped me. What I will tell you is that I can totally see that my foundation has worn in some places, including my cheeks here, but what is still very visible to me is the contour. And you can see it here also. I can see it on the sides of my nose for sure. And I have to tell you guys that I really love this product. I think she did a beautiful job with it. It wasn't sticky. I didn't set it. I never layered any powder on top of it. Like, I applied it, I set around it, and then if you guys recall, I went over it again just to intensify it. It looks really good, it looks soft, it doesn't look heavy, and it looks natural, which is I think what I'm enjoying most about it. And I'm just thinking like, what if I layer it some more? What if I build it up? What if I wear it under foundation? Like, I'm so intrigued by the capabilities of this product, and I'm excited to play with it. I'm going to say that this is a definite recommendation for you guys. I think that you're going to enjoy her products. Danessa Myricks really does create this beautiful, glowy, wet everything. Like, she is just the queen of amazingness. So I have to say I'm really happy with everything, and I'm even thinking that I probably should have ordered the darker shade because I feel that the product is sheer enough to where I could go a little deeper. I'm just going to have to wait and see how deep I can get this to build. And honestly, I might just end up getting the third. So I'll have 1, 2, and 3. That's all I have for you guys. I have had a long day of running errands, cleaning. Let me tell you guys, I have avoided cleaning this space, but I have done some really heavy duty cleaning in the rest of my house. And every time I just dive deeper into cleaning, I keep thinking, how far, you have that room to clean. Maybe tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment down below letting me know, is this a product that you're interested in trying? Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.